nationally renowned retail and repairs bicycle shop, Adelaide. This unique business has proven itself beyond doubt since opening in 2010 and offers exciting growth opportunities for the future. Treadley Bike Shop sells and repairs bicycles, catering for all genres of cycling and people of all ages and abilities. Treadley has evolved as a strongly identifiable brand, receiving national and international recognition as best bike shop in the cycling media. A destination shop for cyclists, it sources unique products and is the highest ranking bike shop in Adelaide. Treadley offers an established retail space, robust online store, a solid marketing strategy, and a large social media presence. The shop has been extensively upgraded, including excellent security features, solar energy, and valuable off-street parking. Treadley achieves consistent community engagement through events and collaborations, including the annual Bulkel de Burbs tour. Treadley Bike Shop is well positioned to continue thriving in a forever growing market, locally and nationally. Only 1 kilometre from the CBD in affluent Norwood, this is an investment that will reward personally and financially.